Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the coolest AI gadgets of the year. From smart home devices to cutting-edge wearables, these innovations are set to change the way we live and interact with technology. We're talking about next-level integration, seamless user experiences, and AI doing what it does best, making our lives easier and more efficient. I've got my hands on some of the most talked-about gadgets, and trust me, you're going to want to see this. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's jump right into the world of cutting-edge AI. First up, we're stepping into the world of the smart home, and this isn't just about turning your lights on and off with your voice anymore. This is the future of home automation, and it's personalized, intuitive, and incredibly powerful. Meet the latest smart home assistant. This sleek and compact device is more than just a pretty face, it's packing some serious AI power under the hood. We're talking about advanced voice recognition that understands natural language. This smart home assistant seamlessly integrates with all your other smart devices. Imagine controlling your thermostat, lights, security system, and even your appliances, all from one central hub. The AI learns your routines and preferences over time. It can anticipate your needs, adjust the lighting and temperature before you even ask. Talk about a smart home that truly feels alive. Well, setting up this smart home assistant is a breeze. It uses your home's Wi-Fi network to connect to your devices, and the companion app makes it incredibly easy to customize settings and create personalized routines. Regular software updates bring new features and improvements, ensuring your smart home stays ahead of the curve. It's your personalized command center for a truly connected living experience. Next up, we're strapping on a piece of the future. This is more than just a fitness tracker, it's an AI-powered wearable that's like having a personal health coach right on your wrist. We're talking about comprehensive health monitoring that goes beyond just counting steps. This wearable tracks your heart rate, sleep patterns, activity levels, and even your blood oxygen levels, giving you a complete picture of your overall well-being. It takes all that raw data and transforms it into actionable insights, personalized just for you. It can tell you when you need to push harder during a workout, recommend mindfulness exercises if it senses you're stressed, and even provide insights into how your sleep quality affects your energy levels throughout the day. The AI-powered wearable provides personalized goals, tracks your progress, and offers encouraging nudges to keep you moving towards a healthier lifestyle. Now let's talk about something that's been capturing imaginations for years: drones. But these aren't your average flying cameras. These are autonomous marvels powered by cutting-edge AI. We're talking about drones that can navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles in real time, and even make decisions on the fly, all without any human intervention. The AI brain inside these drones uses a combination of sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to perceive and interpret their surroundings, making them incredibly agile and adaptable. But it's not just about flying around, it's about the potential applications that are truly mind-blowing. Imagine drones delivering packages with pinpoint accuracy, inspecting infrastructure for damage with incredible efficiency, or even assisting in search and rescue missions in dangerous terrains. And we're already seeing this technology being implemented in various industries. From agriculture to filmmaking to security, autonomous drones are changing the game, making tasks safer, faster, and more efficient than ever before. But how easy are these things to use? You might be surprised. Controlling these autonomous drones is surprisingly intuitive. With user-friendly interfaces and pre-programmed flight paths, you can easily send them on their missions with just a few taps on your smartphone or tablet. And as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative uses for autonomous drones in the future. This is just the beginning of a new era of aerial intelligence, and it's going to be a wild ride. Alright creators, this one's for you. In a world obsessed with capturing and sharing moments, this AI-enhanced camera is about to change the game. Forget about fiddling with complex settings or spending hours editing. This camera packs AI smarts that elevate your photo and video quality to a whole new level. We're talking about intelligent scene recognition that automatically adjusts settings for optimal exposure, focus, and color accuracy, ensuring you capture stunning shots every time. But the real magic happens with the AI-powered image processing. This camera can identify subjects with incredible precision, apply portrait effects with professional-grade bokeh, and even enhance details in low-light conditions, producing images that are crisp, vibrant, and ready to share. And for the video creators out there, this camera is a game-changer. It offers AI-powered stabilization that rivals professional gimbals, keeping your footage buttery smooth, even when you're on the move. Plus, it can even track subjects automatically, ensuring they stay in focus even in dynamic scenes. But how much better is the quality, really? Let me tell you, the difference is night and day. The AI algorithms in this camera are trained on massive datasets of images and videos, allowing them to understand and enhance visuals like never before. This isn't just a camera, it's your creative partner, helping you capture and share your vision with the world in stunning detail. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this AI-enhanced camera empowers you to take your content to the next level. Finally, let's talk about a gadget that makes everyday life just a little bit easier. Forget everything you know about robot vacuums because this AI-powered cleaning machine is in a league of its own. We're talking about smart mapping technology that takes the guesswork out of cleaning. This robot vacuum doesn't just bump around randomly, it uses sensors and AI to create a detailed map of your home, learning the layout, identifying obstacles, and even remembering cleaning patterns for optimal efficiency. But it gets even smarter. This robot vacuum can differentiate between different floor surfaces, automatically adjusting its suction power and cleaning modes for carpets, hardwood floors, and even delicate rugs, ensuring a thorough clean on every surface. And for those hard-to-reach spots, this robot vacuum comes equipped with edge cleaning brushes that effectively remove dirt and debris along walls and furniture, leaving no corner untouched. But how well does it actually clean? I'm not going to lie. I was skeptical at first, but this little guy impressed me. The suction power is surprisingly strong, picking up everything from dust bunnies to pet hair with ease. Plus, the slim design allows it to navigate under furniture, reaching places traditional vacuums could only dream of. This isn't just about convenience, it's about freeing up your time and mental energy. With its AI-powered cleaning prowess and intelligent features, this robot vacuum takes the hassle out of household chores, giving you more time to focus on the things you enjoy. That's it for today's roundup of the coolest AI gadgets of the year. From smart homes to autonomous drones to AI-powered cameras, these innovations are pushing the boundaries of what technology can do. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. See you next time.